Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can blur moving subjects in the Capcut mobile. So first you can start opening your Capcut mobile apps and then start a new project and then choose the videos that you want to edit. Okay, you can just select the videos and then tap on add. Here I've already choose one video from the Capcut library. And now you can just copy or duplicate the clip. Click on one of the clip and then make it as overlay. So just swipe and tap on this overlay button. And then let's click on back. Go to effects. Tap on video effects. Now find the lens category and then add the blur effects. This one. Click on a check icon and adjust the blur to how you like it. I'm going to go with 65, let's say. Now you can just go back. Don't forget to adjust the line of the blur to match with the video. And then here tap on object and then choose overlay. So now the video effects only apply to the overlay video. Now hit on the check icon and now let's just go back again. Click on the overlay video, swipe, and find mask. Here I only want to blur the face, so let's just use a circle and put the positions in here. I'm going to put it like this. Let's make it smaller. Okay, if you want to, you can also add some feather. Let's make it bigger. Okay, for example, like this, you can hit on the check icon and now you can add a keyframe. Then just move the clip little by little like this. And then you can go to mask again and then just move the masking. So I'm going to just play it again and then move the masking again. Okay, so do it like so. Don't forget to follow the movement so that the blur is still accurate. Okay, let's just see the result. First, click on a check icon. So this will be the result. You can see it will follow the movement. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.